Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will make a crochet circle for beginners. So let's get started. So here I have my yarn and my hook. So we'll make chain of 8. So let's get started. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here I have my chain of 8. So we will go to the last stitch here. We'll make a slip knot and we'll tighten this so as we can get our circle for foundation. So we have this yarn left here, so we're going to crochet all over with this yarn. So we'll yarn over, bring our hook into the circle, bring back, then yarn over, bring all through loops first, then we'll yarn over again, and now yarn over, bring through 2 loops that way, yarn over and bring over 2 loops. So we'll continue in the same sequence, yarn over, bring into 2 loops, yarn over, bring back into 2 loops, yarn over, bring again into 2 loops. Yeah, so you see this is going to continue till the end in the same way. So you see, this is how it looks like. So at the end you're going to slip knot, and for this you're going to go and bring our yarn in the very last stitch over here, and going to slip knot this way, sorry, and we're going to make a chain. My purpose of making the chain is, as you can see the circle clearly, so I've just made chain of 7 here, so you can see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. The other one I have, it's this one here and that one here, which I made for you. So this is how it's been done. So if you like, share and comment, and thank you for watching, and see you next time in my video. Bye bye, till next time.